The role of psychology in trading. The financial market is like litmus paper. There, a person appears just the way he really is, without embellishment. If you don't know yourself, markets are an expensive way to test yourself. Through trading and the psychological techniques of big money that we're now teaching you, however, you will begin to gain the skills that will make absolutely all aspects of your life permanently better. You're probably thinking that you are risk-averse, that you certainly are not greedy, but just the opposite. You're a very generous person. But in fact, one does not rule out the other at all. You might generously share your money or extra things with the needy. But when, for example, you get a pay cut in favor of a colleague, what do you have to say? He needs it more? Or, when you're given an opportunity to earn even more than you have now, do you really want to say that you'll pass up the chance? Especially when it involves no risks. If you are planning to make money on options, that is, to make a profit equal to your monthly wage in a few hours, that means that you are venturesome by definition. That's not a bad thing. You just have to accept it from the outset and not act as if this has nothing to do with you and that all this psychology is for someone else. Moreover, you will never learn how you will act if a trade, the first, second, or third, fails until it happens to you. Believe me, you will remember the size of your largest profit on the market your whole life, and you will never forget the size of your biggest loss. Understand that at any given time, you're influencing what you will probably remember in a year. You're influencing your mood during these recollections. You're influencing the imprint they're making in your mind. So what we're telling you now is crucial. Once again, on the market, a person is exposed and reveals himself without embellishment. Do you want to find out what kind of person is in front of you? Put this person in front of a trading platform. Put his own money on the account and watch.